Over the past year, our AI trading system has helped over 90,000 users generate more than $615 million in profit. And the best part, you can do it too without all the hassle. Hi, my name is Ken and I started just like you in the crypto space. Back then, on 2021, I am blessed to be one of the top content creators at Metaverse Academy, founded by MetaCoven, the guy who actually spent $69 million to buy Bybit NFT, and powered by Nas Daily. So inspired by them and the potential of Web3, I created the Moonverse.io to make a real difference, helping people like you to enter the crypto space safely and effectively. And welcome to Moonverse. Well, let's be honest. Many people spend thousands of dollars on training courses, invest weeks, months, even years learning complex strategy, and lost countless hours glued to the screen. And during sleepless nights, despite all the efforts, 99% of the normal traders are losing money due to emotions, greed, lack of skill, and any other many factors. By the way, I hate looking all the chat and news. But what if I told you there's a better way, a way that doesn't require endless learning or constant market monitoring, or better yet, you don't even need to trade yourself? Introducing our AI crypto trading system. It is fully automated, no need to monitor market or execute trades manually. Easy setup, get started in 3 hours or less. In fact, I can set up in 30 minutes and have it running automatically. And of course, user-friendly, perfect even if you have zero knowledge in crypto. It's really easy as 1, 2, 3. And no subscriptions, use it without any recurring fees. You only pay from your profit. Freedom. Let the AI work for you so you can focus on what you love. Because we built it during a bear market, went through all the cycle, and is getting stronger and better every single day. Well, numbers don't lie. It's 90,000 users and 650 million generated profit with our system. In today's world, AI is transforming industry everywhere, so why not let it transform your trading experience too? With our system, you can say goodbye to manual trading and the stress it brings. Say goodbye to spending thousands on courses and endless hours of learning. Aim for financial freedom without sacrificing your time. This isn't just another trading system, it's a game changer designed for people just like you and me. Getting started is simple, just follow these 3 easy steps. Number 1, open the new exchange account using the Moonverse link. This way, you become part of our ecosystem and can enjoy future benefits and airdrop. Step number 2, deposit $100 or more into your account in 7 days after you register. Then, send your user ID found in your exchange information section to our admin. Step number 3, register for your AI trading system. I'll put the link below. Once you have completed these 3 steps, you will receive an email granting your access to our easy setup guide. I'm super excited to have you join us on this journey. You'll soon discover how easy and rewarding AI trading can be, saying goodbye to manual trading and wasting thousands of dollars and countless hours. The best part, this is totally free for you and is designed with you in mind. So welcome to the Moonverse AI crypto trading class, and let's learn together and hunt together.